Have you noticed strange dry spots showing up on your plant's leaves? Maybe it looks like a small dusting of flour, or small white patches that spread a little more every day. And sometimes it starts on just one or two leaves, but other times it shows up on the stems too. If you are seeing anything like that, there is a good chance it's powdery mildew. And it's one of the most common problems gardeners run into. Left alone, it will keep spreading and weaken the whole plant over time. The good news is you don't need to run out and buy some expensive fungicide. Before we get into the fix, quick word on why this shows up in the first place. Powdery mildew loves warm days, cool nights, and poor airflow around your plants. So if your plants are packed close together, or if you are watering late in the day and the leaves stay damp overnight, you are basically rolling out the red carpet for it. Keep that in mind because it will help you avoid round 2 later. So here is my go-to recipe. First, grab a spray bottle or a bigger gallon sprayer if you've got a lot of plants to cover. Then you can mix together 1 gallon of water, that's about 4 liters. 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide and half a teaspoon of mild soap. And I mean plain soap, not dish detergent with all sorts of additives. The soap is not here to clean the leaf. Its whole job is to help the spray stick to the surface instead of just building up and rolling off. Without it, most of your mix ends up on the ground instead of the fungus. And if you don't have hydrogen peroxide in your house, it's not a problem. You can use baking soda, it works just as well as the substitute. Use the same amount, same everything else, and it's the same method. Now we are going to see how to apply it. First, get underneath the leaves, not just on top, because the fungus loves to hide on the underside. So if you are only spraying on the top, you are basically missing the actual problem. Second important thing is timing. Always spray in the evening, never in full sun. Because if you spray during the day and water sits on the leaf while the sun is blazing, those droplets act like magnifying glasses and you will end up with burn spots. So do that during the evening every time. And third, and this is the one people skip, don't do it just one and call it done. One spray might knock it back a bit, but it won't kill it off completely. So apply it twice a week and keep going until the white spots are completely gone. Then you can drop down to once a week just to keep it from coming back. And that's really it. You don't need any expensive chemicals and nothing complicated. Just use this simple homemade spray and with a bit of consistency, your plants will bounce back. Let me know in the comments if you tried this before and how it worked out for you. Now this video is about treating powdery mildew once it's already shown up. But there are actually a few simple things you can do ahead of time to stop it from ever appearing in the first place. And I go through all of that in the next video just right here. See you in the next one.